Mr. President,
distinguished
Honorable
delegates,
Secretary General,
ladies and gentlemen, demands
the 1.3
determined action
billion
by the international community.
the millions of
Mr.
Muslims
President, after decades,
no
this
other
indigenous uprising of the left have been met as usual. Pakistan wants peace with India. We have gone the extra mile to achieve this.
Let's get together. Let's resolve our differences through trade. Let's build a relationship on trust.
Over 100 Kashmiris have been killed, hundreds, including children and infants, blinded by shotgun pellets.
Women, children, sick people, locked in as animals.
The Security Council must honor its commitments by implementing its own decisions.
Got to. This is a test for the United Nations. You are the one who guaranteed the people of Kashmir the right of self-determination. Kulbhushan Yadav, climate change. Billions of dollars leave the poorer countries and go towards rich countries. Related organizations in Pakistan. Mr. Narendra Modi is a life member of RSS.
Palestine, robust growth, externally sponsored terrorism, reconciliation in Afghanistan. Pakistan is fully eligible for membership of the Nuclear Suppliers Group.